To set Google Audio Playback lock screen notification as don't show in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon, scroll down settings screen, find Google, and then tap Google services, and then scroll down screen, tap settings for Google Apps, and then tap search assistant and voice, tap notifications, and then tap notifications again, and then you must turn on Google notifications. If Google notifications is off, tap show notification switch until Bluetooth turn on, and then scroll down screen, find audio playback, and then tap audio playback, select lock screen, and then tap don't show notifications. Now Google Audio Playback lock screen notification set as don't show notifications. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.